Lot number 222 is a 2012 Dodge Charger PPV. This one has a bad motor. This one has a 5.7 liter V8. The motor is bad. According to the shop notes, it was making noise, knocking sound. It's been sitting out here for over 6 months and now it does not start. I got the jump box on it. I'm gonna hit the key so you can hear what it does. The motor does turn over, but it does not start. I tried that several times. I couldn't get it to start. So it does turn over, but it does not start. It's being sold as is. It's got a bad motor. Unknown conditions of the transmission. They wrote it right on here, engine noise. The body is straight. Yes, go ahead. Yes. The body is straight. It's got minor dents and scratches all around. It shows normal wear and tear. This was a full police vehicle and all the emergency equipment has been removed. It's got some scratches on the front bumper. The headlights are dull and the body is straight, both sides. The trunk lid has 2 holes from antennas that were removed. So it does have 2 holes right on the trunk lid. Rear bumper and tail lights look good. Tinted windows are peeling. The car is dirty and moldy from being parked in storage. Let me show you inside. It looks like it's missing a trim along the bottom of the passenger side. I just noticed that. The interior is missing parts. It's missing the center console. The bezel has been removed along with the AC control or display, but it's sitting in the back. I'll show you. The driver's side door panel armrest is torn. The driver's seat shows wear. The steering wheel is worn. The dashboard is not cracked. The passenger seat looks good. Passenger door panel looks good. There's the bezel. Unknown if this is the one that belongs to this car or they switched it out and threw this one back here, but that one is included. It's missing all the rear seats and the rear door panels look good. Let me go around the other side. Here's the driver's side. Door panel looks good. Missing all the rear seats. Driver's side door panel. It's torn in the armrest. And the driver's seat is not torn, but it does show wear. The steering wheel is also worn. Here are the miles. 106,000 miles. All right, there you have it. It says engine noise right on there. It's lot number 222. It's being sold as is. We already know the motor is bad. We don't know the conditions of the transmission. It's got 106,000 miles. It's lot number 222. Good luck.